Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. Are you guys struggling with weak Wi-Fi signals? Don't be panic. Today we will solve your problem in just few minutes. So in today's video we will discuss how to set up TP-Link Deco BE9300 whole home mesh Wi-Fi 7 system. If you're looking for the best Wi-Fi extender that easily extend your home Wi-Fi, then this video is specially made for you. Basically, the TP-Link Deco BE9300 is a high-speed whole home mesh Wi-Fi 7 system designed to provide fast and reliable internet coverage throughout your home. So without wasting any time, let's start the setup process. Open the Google Play Store, Android, or Apple App Store, iPhone/iPad. Search for TP-Link Deco. Tap Install and wait for it to finish downloading. Open the app and log in or create a TP-Link ID by tapping Sign Up. Now connect one end of the Ethernet cable to your modem. Connect the other end to the 2.5G WAN/LAN port on the Deco unit. Plug the Deco power adapter into an electrical outlet. Turn the modem back on. Wait until the modem finishes starting. Open the TP-Link Deco app on your phone. Tap Let's Begin or the plus symbol at the top. Choose Wi-Fi 7. Select Deco BE9300 from the device list. The app will begin searching for the device. The app will automatically detect your connection type. First is dynamic IP, most common. Just tap Next. No extra info needed. Second is PPPoE. Enter username and password provided by your ISP. And the last one is static IP. Enter IP details manually, rare case. Now set your Wi-Fi details, Wi-Fi name, SSID, example, home_Wi-Fi and password. This will be your main network for all devices. Deco will configure automatically. This may take 2 to 3 minutes. Solid green means setup successful. Plug second Deco into power. Wait until LED blinks blue. In app, tap Add another Deco. Choose location. Bedroom/living room/office. Repeat for all Deco units. Now setup is complete. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.